We all know that growing YouTube here is not a child's play. Yeah, growing your YouTube channel here is not a child's play. YouTube need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized, guys. And it's not an easy task. And a lot of people is giving up. Yes, especially faceless YouTubers, they are giving up. When I say they are giving up, they are giving up. Why? Because most of the AI tools they use to generate their video for free are no longer free. Yes, they are all charging money. Now, guys, a lot of people don't know that they can generate a short video from their YouTube app. That's the truth. Most people, what they know is just to go to YouTube, do some short video from image to video and post. But they don't know that they can actually save a video. After creating a video, they can save it clip by clip to get up to 2 minutes video. Yes, that is the truth. Short is, I think, below 3 minutes, right? Yes, I think so. In this YouTube app, you can create a short. I think creating shorts in this YouTube is about 10 to 11 seconds. You can create it clip by clip, go to your editing app and do what? Edit it, which you can post in this YouTube as a short. And we all know that creating a short, the ratio size to use is 9:16, not 16:9, just the way we use on YouTube. Okay, for YouTube long video is 16:9, while short video is 9:16. The same thing goes to Facebook Reel, Instagram Reels, and then TikTok. Okay, though you can post a 16:9 video on Facebook, also on TikTok, but when you post a 16:9 video on Facebook as a reel, no matter how seconds, it's not gonna perform well. Okay, the opportunity to perform well is very limited. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this. Let me show you something. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, look at this. This video here says there are issues limiting the performance of your post. This video here, I posted it on Facebook, and this video is one of my long video on my Faceless channel. I just cut short to post on Facebook. It's the ratio size is 16:9. That's why they told me that there are issues limiting the performance of your video. Not that the video is gone against the Facebook rules and regulation. No. But the problem is that for Facebook rules to perform well, the ratio size has to be 9:16. Okay. Now, this video, like I told you, is 16:9. Now, take a look at the one that I did with 9:16. Okay. Take a look at it. See it here. This one says your post has no issue. Why? Because this video here is 9:16, the perfect ratio size for any short video, both on YouTube here, on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. This is the perfect ratio size. Okay. Now, a lot of people don't know that they can actually create video from their YouTube clip by clip, save it, and go and post in other platform like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. What you don't know is bigger than you. Yes, whatever I'm teaching here or whatever you're watching me here, you may know about it, but a lot of people who are watching this video or who is going to watch this video don't know about it. Yes, of course. I'm going to show you how to create a video, a clip by clip, that you can use to post on YouTube here as shorts. You can also use it on your other platform. Okay, now before we proceed, if this is your first time of watching me or first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for others to learn. Okay, now follow me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how you can do this. Okay, now I have gotten my prompt for the image I want. Okay, all I have to do is to go and get it. Now this is the prompt. Okay, an elderly man with a white beard and glasses. Okay, I copy my prompt. After I copied it, we are going to use, I minimize. Okay, we are going to use Google Flow. No, we are going to use Google Flow Beta to generate this image. Okay, if you don't have it, look at the logo here. If you don't have it, you go to your Play Store and download it. Okay, now let's go. Okay, let's go to Play Store. Let me show you. Go to Play Store, you type, okay, it's here already, type Google Flow, you search. Okay, when you search, because I have it already, it say open. If you don't have it, once it's open, you choose the logo here, Google Flow Beta. Okay, now I'm going to open it. When you click on it, it opens. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, now I don't have any credit in this account. Okay, when you open it, if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to sign in with an account. Okay, this is my account. If you check here, I have only one flow credit. Okay, I have no credit here. Now, generating image in this app is totally free. You can generate unlimited image using this app. Okay, and when it take you to the interface, you open here, you tap on the plus sign, I mean by the right side there. Okay, you type there. When you type there, it will ask you to, what do you want to make? Okay, now look at this place that is written image. You tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you see that it is already on image, and that image you are going to use 9 by 16 because it's going to be YouTube short. Okay, you select it, you click on image, that it selects your ratio size. Okay, you now go back, you go back. Once you go back, you paste your script. Okay, you paste your script and send. Okay, you send and allow it to load. Now look at this image that is generating. The size alone is already showing us that it's 9 by 16. Okay, now look at the image. All you have to do is look up here, this three dot line, you tap there and download your image. Okay, media downloaded successfully. Okay guys, we are now going to our YouTube to generate, to use our script to turn this image into a video. Okay, now before you do that, you have to get your script ready as well. Okay, now let me go to my ChatGPT to get my script. I've already prepared my script because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, now this is my script. Okay, this is my script here. No, not this one. This is my script. Okay, now this script I'll be working on. I have two Faceless with the channel. Okay, this is the script I'll be working on. Okay, this is another episode of it. As an elderly man giving advice for marriage and relationship. Okay, now all you have to do is, if you look at this, I always ask ChatGPT to give me my script sense by sense. You should make it 11 seconds sense by sense anytime I want to generate my video on YouTube, because the YouTube video only come out, I think 11 seconds. Yeah, 10 to 11 seconds. So I will ask ChatGPT to give me sense by sense 11 seconds sense by sense script on so topic. Okay, either I ask, give me okay, let me show you what I asked here. Okay, okay, I asked, this is the script. Some men don't want a wife, they want a mother who cook, clean and obey. Okay, I now asked ChatGPT to give me a 2-minute broadcast script in this topic. Make it very educating and inspiring, also make it to triggered online people. The script should come in 10 seconds sense by sense to get the 2 minutes. Okay, now this is the script. Okay, all you have to do is copy the first paragraph. You copy the first paragraph. Once you copy the first paragraph, you are now going to go to our YouTube. Okay, you are going to go to our YouTube channel to use that image to create a video to your YouTube interface. Okay, once you come here, you click on this plus sign. Once you click on create video, it will take you to another interface. Now look at this right up here. Make me a video with avatar. Draw my life. Make me a film pack with vlog to travel to Max. You understand? So you can ask YouTube to make a video of anything, but you can actually make a short video clip by clip. Use it to get up to 2 to 3 minutes short. Okay, now here we come. You paste our script. Okay, once you paste your script, you click on this plus sign. It will immediately take you to your gallery to go and pick an image. This is the image we generated from Google Flow. Okay, now once you bring it in, you tap here to send. It's going to generate our image. Listen to it, guys. Listen to it. So this is very easy. A lot of people have been waiting to, in fact, or let's say they have been looking for a free app to use, a free AI tools to use to generate the video. Why you wait? Use this pattern on YouTube to generate shorts. Okay, keep posting it and keep growing your channel. Okay, our video is ready. Look at it. Listen.
My children, listen carefully. A marriage is not a place where one person becomes a servant and the other becomes a master.
Do you see it? Very clear. So guys, stop waiting for free AI tools. Now you come here, you save it, save to device. Okay, you save it, it's going to save. Now this video is just about 10 to 11 seconds. I think, yeah, 11 seconds video. Now when you create 11 seconds video like this, if you have two channel, each account you use can generate up to 10 videos. Yes, now 11, no, it's 10 second video. Now a 10 seconds video, multiply it by 10 and you know how many minutes it will give you. You can use it to post on your Facebook, you can use it to post on your Instagram, you can use it to post here on YouTube, even on TikTok. Okay, posting it here on YouTube will go a long way in helping you to get more views and subscribers. So guys, go and use this method. Okay, if you have watched this video to the end, go and give it a try. Okay, and don't forget to like this video, and thank you for watching. Okay.